Hey guys, it's Derek here. We're going to do an update on the race car. Today is seat day, and so unboxing of the seat. We're going to test it out because Mike is going to have to sit in that. Mike, can you bend over and may I see your butt? Yes. So that size butt needs to fit into this semi-bucket seat, and then that seat needs to fit into that car. Dynamic camera action. And so that's what we're going to do today. First unboxing, and then secondly install into the car, and then test to see if it's actually going to work for us. And so I already cut all the tape. We want to take that box off and make it sensational. That was rough, Mike.
Well, you got me to bend over before.
When the girls are like, Mike, make it sensational, do you just rip? Rip off the clothes?
Yeah.
And so we bought this seat from Yahoo Auctions. We bought it for 40,000 yen. It's a used SPG seat. From
Spoiler alert?
Recaro. What?
No, I was gonna like do a little sneak peek. Oh, soft.
Is it? It's it's worn out a little bit on the outside, but it's not quite ripped yet. And then it has the rails for an NA Miata too.
Oh, it's blue.
And it's blue because Pacific Coast Auto colors blue. And then possibly I wanted to have blue livery on the car, blue and white, because our colors are kind of like a two-shade blue and white, and so might be able to do something like that.
You ready to rip?
Oh, I'm ready. I've been ready to rip for ages, man.
Damn.
Don't say damn.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, let me get in on the action.
Good.
All right.
So do you want to sit in it first?
So, yeah. And then this version of the SPG, I was reading up on it, is supposedly pretty good for larger size people, which is definitely not me. I was looking at Mike. But Mike, how tall are you?
6'3".
And in centimeters?
190 something.
190 something centimeters. And so this seat sits down low in the bum section here, is a little bit wider here to here, and then has lower sides there. And so should work out pretty good, because one of the regulations for the race car is that your helmet has to be lower than the roll bars on the back. We do have a roll bar, we haven't installed it yet. And so we do need a seat that can possibly sit fairly low. And we might have to lower this seat a bit. Right now it's on the medium here, and it's on the highest here.
Definite sweat stains.
That's where the belt goes through. Look. That's not sweat stains, that's belt stains. And look, this is the original blue color, and then the faded blue.
There's no seat belt here.
That's the back seat belt.
It's back sweat.
And then here's the wear of the seat belt. We can put some hockey tape on that, should be fine. Okay, so there it is. Would
you like to do the honors?
Let's test fit to see if we fit in it, just to begin with. For me, I know this isn't going to be a problem.
Are you snug?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, it's tight around the shoulders, huh?
Maybe. I don't know. But you're going to have your shoulders like this. Your shoulders go forward, or at least
yeah.
like this. This is how I race my car.
Does it?
No, it's good. The bottom cushion is comfortable. That's something I heard about this one, is that the cushions are a little bit more comfortable than your standard seat. And then side to side, could be a little bit tighter for me, but I think it'll be fine for you. You want to see?
Oh, it's good.
Oh, is that going to work?
Yeah. It's nice. It's actually nice. It's a little bit like, but as you said, you're going to be driving like that, so it's fine. Oh, I race.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Good.
It's probably one of the most comfortable. Can I have this as my office chair once we're done?
That would be an annoying office chair.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, pretend you're driving. Okay, now shift gears. Pretend you're shifting gears. Mr. Marijuana Socks. Were you shifting? Okay, heel and toe.
No, I don't.
No, I'm watching.
Too big for heel and toe.
Your feet are too big?
Usually.
Oh, you're gonna have fun on the track.
No, I think it's good.
Okay, let's put it in.
I like it.
Seat is officially out, and we have lovely dirtiness inside this car. Thank you, Mike, for taking that out. While you were doing that, I was doing the
Cobweb.
extra modification of new windshield wipers in case it's a rainy day.
Oh, nice.
That would suck so much if we prepared everything, but then we're like, we can't see out of the window. Here's your proof that Mike actually does work. Let's have a good look at those sweat stains again.
Oh, it's just a little tight.
I don't think there's any proof that I'm doing any of the work. I actually undid some of those bolts. And I put the bolts in with my fingers too.
Oh, I think the bolts are just really rusty. Rusty nuts.
Wonder how we're gonna mount the racing harness. I guess we should take off the sponge that's on top of this. Maybe we can put the roll bar on today too. Is that as far back as the seat will go?
Yeah.
Do it more. There you go. Well, it touches a little bit there.
I guess we should put some tape.
We should probably put something to protect the outside of this. Okay, so how are you for room inside there?
Okay. Knees are a little close, but I think I just felt it rain too. We can go down one setting and then down 3 settings if we wanted, but you probably...
I don't know how much further we can actually go down though, because this seat kind of bottoms out. How about leg positions for, like, are your legs going to be all crampy and stuff? Let me close the door.
Are these the stock door cards? They're not, right? That actually helps.
That's good.
Not having the door cards.
Oh yeah, and look at the wire handle. Actually, would help you too, because usually there would be a handle in there. How about like extend your foot on the gas pedal and the clutch?
Yeah.
And it is starting to rain.
Yeah. Should put the hard top back.
All right. In terms of space for 6'3" man,
That's what a Miata looks like. The seat's good.
can you see out the front window?
My vision is...
Well, the back is lifted up, so your vision would be different once the back is put down. I can't see you at all. All right, do you mind if I get in there? I want to see how it is for me. I think I'm going to keep the seat in the full back position like this as well. Oh, pretty easy to get in though, I think. I just kicked our door card.
It's okay. It's a race car.
The seat actually feels like it's pretty high. Look at me heel and toe.
Derek, no way!
Here it is. Ah. I'll do that in the slip.
That last corner.
I'm spinning. Yeah, the back does feel up a bit, but then again, we also have the back of the car up a bit. Let's put the top on before it gets all rainy in here.
Yeah.